This song is called Sympathique, or affectionately known as Je ne veux pas travailler, which means I don't want to work. Sympathique is a word that can't really be translated into English, which is why I've always been intrigued by it. And we called our first album Sympathique. It sort of means like a combination of charming, appealing, alluring, like je ne sais quoi, like there's something I like about you. You're sympathique.
There's something I like about you too, China.
And you too.
And you. I like you.
And you,
too.
Thomas.
And you.
I know what I like about you.
You do?
It's not mysterious.
Okay.
But anyway, this song is the first song Thomas and I ever wrote together. When I first joined the band, it was all covers, and I really was always a songwriter, and I forced Thomas to write a song with me, and this is it. It's lifted partially from some lines from a poem by Guillaume Apollinaire. We didn't know that at the time. We took it from a piece by Poulenc and thought it was in the public domain, and we just sort of took a couple of these funny lines that were fitting in the melody we had written, and we wrote the rest of the song. And then we had a huge hit with it in France. They used it on a Citroën car commercial. They used it as, well, they actually played it all over the country. Everyone in the country knows the song. They didn't know who we were, but they knew the song. And we were nominated for Song of the Year at the French Grammys. So that was kind of a shock.
A real shock.
And we flew there and performed it. And after all that, we were discovered as thieves and sued for stealing the words from Guillaume Apollinaire.
We learned a lot about French copyright law that year.
What were those words from Guillaume Apollinaire? What did he write?
Je ne veux pas travailler, je veux fumer. I don't
That
work.
was it.
And the first two lines, Ma chambre à la forme d'une cage, le soleil passe par la fenêtre. So it means my room is a cage, the sun streams by the window. And then we wrote the rest of it, and then we used Je ne veux pas travailler, je veux fumer. So we were busted.
It really wasn't that much. I mean, it was just a few lines.
Don't give them any ideas.
What?
Don't give them any ideas. We're coming back for more.
No, he doesn't mean that much money. He means that much poetry.
I thought you meant the money that we settled for. Oh, no. It really wasn't that much. They were real suckers. We got away with Moida. No, yeah, we didn't take that many lines, but they took a lot of percentage points.
You know, it was still an honor to be nominated.
It's an honor to be nominated. And also, I mean, we wouldn't change a thing because the song exists, and it's very special.
Ma chambre a la forme d'une cage. Le soleil passe son bras par la fenêtre. Les chasseurs à ma porte comme les petits soldats qui veulent me prendre. Je ne veux pas travailler, je ne veux pas déjeuner, je veux seulement oublier et puis je fume. Déjà j'ai connu le parfum de l'amour, un million de roses n'embaumerait pas autant. Maintenant une seule fleur dans mes entourages me rend malade. Je ne veux pas travailler, je ne veux pas déjeuner, je veux seulement oublier et puis je fume. Je ne suis pas fière de ça, cette vie qui veut me tuer. C'est magnifique, être sympathique, mais je ne le connais jamais. Je ne veux pas travailler, non, je ne veux pas déjeuner. Je veux seulement oublier et puis je fume. Je ne suis pas fière de ça, cette vie qui veut me tuer. C'est magnifique, être sympathique, mais je ne le connais jamais. Je ne veux pas travailler, non, je ne veux pas déjeuner. Je veux seulement oublier. Et puis je fume. Je ne veux pas travailler, je ne veux pas déjeuner, je veux seulement oublier.